In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of tree sap efficiently and easy. I'm not going to cover what doesn't work. I'm going to go straight to what works. So this should be a fairly short video. Plus there's a bonus. Stay tuned to the end. You'll see what I'm talking about. Oh, follow me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here. Alright, so this Tacoma gets parked fairly close to oak trees and pine trees and gets clobbered with tree sap. On a side note, I've actually waited a whole year to do this video. Why? Because I wanted to make sure I had some old tree sap, which we do, and some fresh tree sap, and show you how this method works pretty efficiently on old or new tree sap. What is this method? It's really simple. Alcohol. Alcohol will dissolve tree sap, get it off, even the old stuff. And I'll show you how. Let me go ahead and get a shot of some of the tree sap we have on this truck, and you'll see how easy it is to get off. So I've got some little samples here. Some older stuff, some fairly new stuff. And just getting some of this alcohol onto a little rag. I'll show you how easy this is. You may have to use your thumbnail or a soft. There you go. That was an old one. Here's a fresh one. Now it does help if you put it on there and let it soak in a minute or two. Try to keep the alcohol contained to just that area because it does take off your wax. This is the fresh stuff, and the fresh stuff rubs right off. Look at that. All the stuff you may have to hit it with your thumbnail, let it soak in a little bit. Just keep rubbing at it and it'll come off. Look at this. Get this piece. So let me show you something else. This works even better. And it actually is alcohol. Basically hand sanitizer. This one's 70% isopropyl alcohol. And the nice thing about this is you can just squeeze some of that gel on there and let it soak in. It won't rub, it won't run. So we'll let that soak in for a minute. Then we'll rub it off. And there it goes. Tree sap comes right off. Let's do another one. Let's get this one right here. Here's another one. I'm going to go ahead and do this one with the gel. Just set it on there. Nice thing about this, it's not running. Just let it sit there for a minute or two, and it should rub right off. Keep it on there. Might need another treatment. Probably should have let it sit a little longer. Get the alcohol gel on there. We'll let that sit. Come back and rub it right off. Now, let's do some more. All right, here's an old one. And I'm going to put the gel on the rag and just kind of lightly spread it onto the tree sap. And it comes right off. Alright, I promised you a bonus, and here it is. It's not really a bonus, this is just part of the process that you should follow. So, here's the spot that I cleaned, and what you're going to notice is that there appears to be some discoloration. Let's get a close-up of that. And all that is that you know, it's dried up alcohol. But what you should do after you finish cleaning, put some wax on it, because I got this paste wax. What you've done with the alcohol is you've basically stripped off all the wax. So getting that wax on there is important. Aside from the shine, it's protectant. So that covers it. It's that simple. Alcohol will remove the tree sap from your vehicle. The alcohol gel works even a little better because it stays on there longer and it can soak in. So the next thing I'm going to do is there's this little black tar spots. I'm not even sure how they got that. The alcohol won't take those off, but I'm going to go ahead and compound those off. But whatever you do, make sure to follow up with a coat of wax, even if it's just a spot that you just did, or better yet, the whole vehicle. The vehicle will thank you for it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, hit share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Just hit this little button right here. Thanks for watching.